They are the two best teams of the tournament. They are the only two teams who haven't lost a single match in this World Cup. It is crunch time. It does not get bigger than this. It is the World Cup final and it is India versus South Africa. South Africa अपना पहला वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल खेल रही है. उनको इससे ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. भारत ने कोई आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीता since 2013 Champions Trophy. It is likely to be the last World Cup for the two Indian greats, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Can India break the 11-year-old jinx, or will South Africa create history? For more such analysis, please continue to watch our video. India will clash with South Africa in the final of the 2024 T20 World Cup at the historic Kensington Oval in Bridgetown in Barbados on Saturday. Both teams have now lost a single encounter in the tournament. South Africa ने अपने सारे मैचेस जीते हैं, जबकि भारत ने कनाडा के मैच के अलावा, जो कि अबैंडन हो गया था, अपने सारे मैचेस जीते हैं. It is the first time in T20 World Cup history that two teams who have remained unbeaten through the tournament will be meeting in the final. India will be playing their third T20 World Cup final. They won the inaugural edition in 2007 and were runners-up in 2014 when they were beaten by Sri Lanka. South Africa अपना पहला T20 World Cup final खेलेगी. The historic Kensington Oval in Bridgetown, Barbados, has hosted 8 matches in this tournament with the honours shared between the team batting first and chasing. Both have won 3 games each. The venue has witnessed a tight encounter between Oman and Namibia, while the match between Scotland and England was called off due to rain. Captains ने Barbados में टॉस जीतकर चेज करना पसंद किया है. In 8 matches, they have opted to bat second on 5 occasions. The average score batting first in Barbados in the tournament is 150 for 8, jabki average second innings score is 134 for 5. The highest score at the venue is Australia's 201 versus England. It is the only time when 200 was crossed in the tournament at Bridgetown. Lowest team total Barbados made 2024 T20 World Cup में is 109. Namibia and Oman के tied match में दोनों teams ने ये score बनाया था. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss is 42.9% at Barbados. The pitch in Barbados will assess the Pacers as it has historically. यहाँ पे 2024 T20 World Cup में fast bowlers ने nearly 70% wickets ली हैं at an average of 19.7, strike rate of 15.2 and economy of 7.8. While the mean temperature in Barbados on Saturday will be 28 degrees, there is a 70% chance of showers. Both the teams will likely retain their winning 11s, although there is a case for India to rope in Jaiswal and push an out-of-form Kohli to number 3, but they will not change their winning combination. South Africa भी same team के साथ जाएगा. उनके 3 world-class fast bowlers काफी घातक फॉर्म में हैं. India hold the edge in the head-to-head rivalry against South Africa. The two teams have played in 26 T20I matches, with India winning 14. 2022 se bilkul neck-to-neck hai, with both teams winning 5 games each. India dominate the record in the T20 World Cup, winning 4 of the 6 encounters between the two teams. However, South Africa ने भारत को 5 wickets से हराया था in the last T20 World Cup match against India at Perth in 2022. Anrich Norgay has been in red-hot form in the tournament and is the leading wicket-taker for South Africa with 13 dismissals at an average of 13.46 and economy of 5.64. Barbados के विकेट पे नए गेंद के साथ वो काफी घातक साबित हो सकते हैं. Quinton de Kock is not only the leading run-getter for South Africa in the World Cup, but also the batter with the highest strike rate. Quinton de Kock power play में counter-attack करेंगे. Kuldeep Yadav picked up 3 wickets in the semi-final against England and has been in good form in this tournament. वो इंडिया के लिए key bowler होंगे in the middle overs in the final. Kuldeep has an exceptional record in T20I cricket with a tally of 69 wickets in 38 innings at an average of 13.42 and strike rate of 12.1. Rohit Sharma has raised his game in the last couple of matches and will be key for India at the top of the order in the power play. Rohit has a great record in T20Is and is one of the greatest batters in the format's history. वो भारत के high scorer हैं in the tournament. Rohit Sharma versus Kagiso Rabada will be a key clash in the power play. Rabada ने रोहित को 2 बार आउट किया है in 8 T20Is और ज़्यादा रन भी नहीं दिए हैं. स्काई बेहतरीन फॉर्म में हैं और उनका केशव महाराज के साथ मुकाबला काफ़ी क्रूशल होगा इन द मिडल ओवर्स. स्काई ने महाराज को डोमिनेट किया है इन ऑल T20s. अर्शदीप सिंह ने क्विंटन द कॉक को 3 बार आउट किया है इन 7 T20 इनिंग्स. ये बड़ा कॉन्टेस्ट होगा इन द पावर प्ले. Andre Klassen is one of the most destructive finishers in white ball cricket in the world and an excellent player of spin. His battle against the Indian spin trio of Kuldeep, Akshar and Jadeja could define the outcome of the encounter. Klassen has a combined strike rate of 150 against the trio with just 1 dismissal in 15 innings. Kagiso Rabada is the hot pick for South Africa. He has been in fine form in the tournament and has bagged 12 wickets at an average of 13.25 and economy of 5.88. Rabada has a good record in World Cup cricket और Barbados के wicket fast bowlers को assist करेगी. Otniel Bartman is the avoid pick for South Africa. He is inexperienced and also went wicketless in a couple of matches. Akshar Patel is the hot pick for India. He was the player of the match in the semi-final against England and could be a handful against the South African right-handers. Shivam Dube is the avoid pick for India. He got in a couple of good scores but overall has been a disappointment with the bat and seems to crumble under pressure. He hasn't also bowled much in this tournament. In fact, Dube ने सिर्फ एक ही ओवर डाला है in this World Cup. The final will essentially be a clash between India's batting and South Africa's fast bowling unit. Rohit Sharma's battle against Norgay, Jansen and Rabada will be crucial in the power play. Bumrah will be key with the new ball for India. South Africa के लिए Quinton de Kock crucial होंगे at the top of the order, जबकि middle order में Stubbs and Klassen खतरनाक खिलाड़ी होंगे. Based on the relative strength of both the teams and the conditions which favor fast bowling, South Africa start marginal favourites with a 52% chance of victory. Given the conditions, Jansen will be a good choice for captain, while Bumrah will be a good option for vice-captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the India versus South Africa final. We have 6 players from India and 5 from South Africa. Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock will be the openers, while the middle order will comprise of Miller, Sky and Stubbs. The new ball will be shared by Bumrah and Norgay, जबकि middle overs संभालेंगे Kuldeep और Akshar Patel. Our backup players include Virat Kohli as batter, Kagiso Rabada as bowler and Aiden Markram as all-rounder.